Yes, we start with gunfire on the streets. Police say a 15-year-old tried to rob an off-duty FBI agent who was just walking home last night from a Cleveland Heights restaurant.
The agent ended up shooting the teenager. 19 Action News investigator Scott Taylor is just back from talking with the teen's mom, who says her son is fighting for his life.
I found Mom today, and she says her son is a good kid, just finished up his summer job and has never been in any real trouble before. You gotta wonder how this all went down that left a trained FBI agent shooting a teenager who police say was robbing him.
I love him, and I'm here for him.
No matter what.
No matter what, I got your back, and please be okay.
Police tell me it all went down here in Kane Park in Cleveland Heights around 10:30 last night. Mom says her son, Steve Nelson, was finishing up a date with his girlfriend. An off-duty FBI agent says the 15-year-old and another male confronted him and a friend on their way home from dinner. One of the two suspects, according to the agent, put a gun to the agent's head and said, "Don't turn around or I'll blow your head off."
I'm not saying the police is wrong. I'm not saying my son is wrong.
You're just concerned about him
I'm just
right now.
concerned about my son.
They grabbed the agent's wallet and badge and took off. The agent got off several shots, hitting the teen in the leg and the back.
My son is seriously hurt. He has a bullet in his chest. He was shot in his back. And guilty or not guilty, I'm his mother. I want to be there with my son.
Well, the teen is having surgery in the morning. Again, that bullet's still lodged in his chest. All the detail is still very sketchy. We'll be watching this one very close because you usually don't see an FBI agent shooting a teenager. Scott Taylor, 19 Action News.